Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent informed investors during a private meeting on Tuesday that he expects a de-escalation in the trade tensions between President Donald Trump and China in the very near future, according to a person who attended the meeting, as reported by CNBC. Bessent stated that no one thinks the current status quo is sustainable, with tariffs at their current levels. His comments were made at a closed investor summit in Washington, D.C., hosted by J.P. Morgan Chase. Following Bessent's remarks, stocks, which had been recovering from the previous day's sell-off, surged higher. He added that the potential de-escalation between the U.S. and China should give the world and the markets a sigh of relief. He also remarked, "We have an embargo now, on both sides, right?" Bessent emphasized that despite the U.S. increasing tariffs on Chinese imports to 145% and China retaliating with 125% duties on U.S. goods, the goal of Trump's trade policy isn't to decouple. He noted that negotiations with China would likely be a slog, but stressed that neither side thinks the status quo is sustainable. Later on Tuesday, White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt echoed Bessent's optimistic view on trade talks with China, though neither official confirmed that formal negotiations had begun. Leavitt shared in a briefing that Trump wants to emphasize that we're doing very well in respect to potential trade deal with China, adding that Trump is setting the stage for a deal and that the ball is moving in the right direction. When asked whether Trump had spoken directly to Chinese President Xi Jinping, Leavitt said she had no further information to share.